Can't send MMS messages on your iPhone? No worries, I've got you covered. This problem usually means that the MMS messaging is turned off or not properly set up. Here are some fixes you can apply to resolve this issue. Solution 1. Check cellular data and Wi-Fi. Open Settings, tap Cellular. Make sure cellular data is turned on. MMS messages require a cellular data connection if you're not on Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure that your internet is working properly. Solution 2. Enable MMS messaging. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap Messages. First, make sure to activate iMessage and tap Send and Receive. Make sure active this with your Apple ID or number. After that, go back, scroll down, ensure MMS messages is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on. After that, you need to restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings again. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or cellular settings and hopefully fix the problem. But if the issue persists, contact your carrier to ensure there is no issue with your account or network settings. Now, by following these steps, you're most likely going to resolve this issue and get back into MMS texting again. If the tutorial was helpful, be sure to let me know. See you next time.